Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Word's dark mode applies a dark theme to the entire interface. If you'd like to keep your pages color white while still using dark mode, or if you want to revert Word back to light mode, here's this video will show you how to do it. On my previous video, I'll show you how to how to enable the dark mode. Now I'll show you how to turn off. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open a Word. As you can see in here, I am using dark mode for my Word like this. All the background menu is on the dark mode, like also the paper. If you want to change to the light mode, you can go to File, click on File, click on Account. There's an option of this theme. You can just click on that. You can choose on white. So now you have a normal uh, page with the white background for your Word document. It's so simple, right? If you want to use another theme, you can just do the same thing. Click on account. There is an option dark gray. It's like this. You have white paper with the gray background, or you want to use colorful. It turns out like this. It's normal. So that is how to turn off dark mode on your Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!